Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Sheila. I am joining Falon over at Moss Family TV and several other wonderful home cooks for Fall Food Friday. So today I'm going to show you a tasty, easy, delicious side dish, and it is onion roasted sweet potatoes. If you like sweet potatoes, or even if you don't, this is a recipe that every time I make it, those who try it love it. I can't get the twins to try it. They're in anti-vegetable mode right now, unless it goes on a burger. So there you go. Or raw vegetables. But I've never tasted a raw sweet potato and I'm not quite interested. So we are gonna make onion roasted sweet potatoes, and I'm gonna take you along for the journey. It's the easiest recipe, and I am pairing mine with an herb crusted pork tenderloin, and then I'm gonna make some macaroni and cheese, and I have some yeast rolls that were rising all day. So it's a Wednesday for me, Friday when you see this, but my family is gonna get a really good dinner, and it's not gonna take a whole lot of time. So let's hop into it. Okay, all you're really gonna need for this recipe is some sweet potatoes. I have 3. Really just my husband and I eat these, so 3 is plenty for 2 with leftovers. A pack of onion soup mix. I have found that the Kroger brand is just as good as Lipton and a whole lot cheaper. And some olive oil. And that's it. That's it, seriously. So I'm gonna peel and chop up these sweet potatoes, and then I will show you the next step.
Hey, I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You'll know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you. I fall into you. Hey, I wish I could show you more, 'cause baby you deserve some more.
Okay, seriously you guys, the next is easy. You just take 1 packet of the onion soup mix. Yep, Lipton at least makes it easier to open. So you're gonna just open that. I don't want to dump it yet because I am gonna pour in some olive oil, about a couple tablespoons, and I'm gonna dump this whole packet in here. Literally, that's it. You know what? I'm gonna use both because I want these to be super flavorful. And a lot of times I will use both because you want these coated very well. And you just want to kind of stir them till they're all coated with the olive oil and the onion soup mix. Hey, I just thought I'd tell you that if you want to see how I do my pork tenderloin, go watch yesterday's vlog because it was in there. So now if you want my whole meal, you kind of have to intertwine both of them. This goes amazing with, like I said, pork, Goes wonderful with turkey and chicken. I would even probably like these with the steak because they are just so good. This is honestly how I prefer sweet potatoes. My husband likes them baked with just butter and cinnamon and sugar. Sometimes just butter. But this is my favorite way. I think this is, it just gives it an amazing flavor. And seriously, I'm not even kidding when I say this is it. Woo! Overboard. I thought, oh, I do have to take that one overboard. Well, I'll just have to sacrifice it. You want to put them in a single layer because you don't want them to sit on top of each other. You do want them to get roasted. And I will put these in about a 400-degree oven for about 30 to 45 minutes. You're going to stir in between, kind of halfway through, just to make sure that both sides have an opportunity to roast a little bit. And that's it. I will show you all when dinner is done what it looks like. I'm now going to prep my pork tenderloin, so I have everything ready to go. And yeah, so stay tuned. I'm fixing to show you what they look like when they're cooked. And you guys don't forget to hop on over to Falon's playlist. I will have it linked down in the description box below, and check out some more amazing recipes for the fall.
But still you're here.